first things first, you've got to make sure that, that you have your power cable out. Just take it out. And battery, yeah, take that out too. Okay, so you will notice that they have these two pads, rubber pads here, and you got to take them out first. Now basically they're just hiding these two screws here, so those come out now. The next step is to take the bezel out. Now be a bit careful with these because especially if your computer is fairly old, they can be brittle, and I like to use rubber, you can use a guitar pick or whatever, but I use these things here. So just slowly prise it out. Be really gentle. Okay, so this comes off, and you will have these remaining screws here. Okay, there are 4 here, so you've got to take these out. Flip over the LCD screen. Like that. And again, you've got this bit of cable here, the ribbon cable, the connector, and that gently has to come out. There you go. And yeah, that's it. For you who are broken, if you have a broken screen, sometimes it's good to take it out and just take a photo of the numbers here, and send it to the people at like where you buy your screen from. Like I send it to laptopscreen.com, and I let the guys just really make sure when they send their replacement, it's correct, it's the right part. So that's what I do. I take a photo and then send it to them, and they'll confirm it. So I get the new screen. Okay, don't remove the cover yet, the film around it, because you'd like to test it first, make sure it works. Okay, and then you put the cable back in gently. Like that, like so. You flip it back. And just like to put a couple of screws back in first, just to test to see that it really works. Turn it on. Then you peel the cover off, like so. And then you put the bezel back. Again, don't press hard. Just be gentle with it. Make sure it clips in properly where it's meant to go. Okay, and then I always, before I put the rubber foot back in, these rubber pads, I put a tiny bit of glue there because I really don't want it falling off. You can't find it, it's just annoying.